Good day guys, welcome back to the channel. So those of you that are yet to subscribe to this channel, make sure you click on the subscribe button, like, share, make your comment. So let's take a look at what we'll be expecting on our GBP JPY. So guys, if you are yet to trade and you don't know how to trade properly, you would learn and want to learn how to trade properly. All you just have to do is subscribe to the mentorship program. You will find the link to the mentorship in the comment section. So now this market has eventually come to tap our resistance, right? This is also a rejection market give us here. These are resistance, market rejected. Market also came to this resistance and rejected. Now market is at this resistance, and I told you guys yesterday that market will drop to our support level. You clearly can see that our prediction for yesterday was actually correct. We predicted that market will drop and market eventually dropped. Now our next movement is that now the market has pushed up, expect a little bit of a pullback, then one more movement again till market eventually taps this our resistance level for the day.